We have a fantastic partnership with the Learning People, and the reason we work with Learning People is that they're a fantastic career conversion company in the UK and across Europe as well. They are a global name, but also a very well respected name in the UK. But most importantly is that they have a range of different opportunities available for students so that they can find the right career move for their customers. In terms of how I've seen the the coding landscape change in the last while, and particularly over the last 2 years, the demand for AI and data engineers and data scientists is phenomenal. We've had a lot of large companies coming to us demanding our graduates so that they can start working for their companies because they can't fill the tech gaps. So in the last year, predominantly, I've seen companies come to us looking for anybody working in AI or particularly with full stack development skills, particularly Python, so that they can go into data science and working in a data science role with a company. Well, the reason you should come to the Learning People is because they offer the best career conversion opportunities. They have fantastic support teams who work through the kind of the onboarding process with the students so that they can prepare their LinkedIn accounts, they can do their CV detox, and then at the end they can also work with the students to help them find the right roles for the student. Because software development opens you up into a wide space where you can have a lot of different opportunities, so finding the right opportunity for you is key. All I would say is for any students who are looking to get into coding, I would say jump straight in. Be prepared to work hard, because it's not easy, but nothing worthwhile doing is easy. But at the same time, every student that we have going through the course suffers from what we call imposter syndrome, where they feel that they don't belong there, but realistically it's a natural kind of experience. But we have great support structures in terms of our tutors, our mentors, and also the Slack community to help students get through those first few months. But just keep working at it.